Hello there. So welcome to day 1 of our 30 days beginner friendly React series. I am Rishikesh Rajput and over next 30 days I am going to make sure you get a super compatible with React.js. Step by step, one day at a time. We will be learning React in so details that you will no need to find or watch any other React videos. Also, we will be creating industry level React projects that it will be easier for you to crack any of the React interview. So what is a React exactly? React is a JavaScript library developed by Facebook. So this is a library, not a framework. React is a JavaScript library used to build user interfaces, especially for web applications. It lets you build faster, scalable, interactive UIs using something called components. Think of components like Lego blocks. You can reuse them to build awesome apps. And guess what? React is used by some of the biggest tech companies in the world: Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, Airbnb, Netflix, etc. These apps handles millions of users daily, and React helps them stay fast and responsive. So what do you think? Why do developers love React so much? So basically there are three main reasons. It's a component-based architecture, which makes code reusable. Then it's a declarative. You describe what you want and React handles the DOM. It uses something called virtual DOM, makes app really faster. So in this series you will learn how to create components, handle user input, fetch data from APIs, build routes and much more. All hands-on. So today's challenge for you is really simple. Research and comment below 5 websites or apps built using React. This will give you a real sense of how powerful this tool is. And don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon so you don't miss a day 2 where we will set up your first React app in a minute. So that's it for today's video and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.